name is Shinta. I will make step on how to make nugget tempe. The ingredients is, let's start cooking. Before starting to cook, heat the water first with the pan. And stove. First step, cut the tempe using a knife. Then store it in a small container. The second step is steaming until cooked. If it is cooked, turn off the stove and drain. The third step is puree the tempeh mixture using a pestle. Mix all the spices into the mixture gradually. Enter the diced carrot, 2 eggs, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of ground pepper using a spoon. Stir and add flavoring input taste according to taste and 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir again until evenly distributed. Then flatten the tempeh nugget dough. And steam over medium heat for 20 minutes. Make sure if it's cooked, then take it out. Cut the dough according to taste. Prepare breadcrumbs, melted flour, and a container. Coat with flour and dip into the breadcrumb. Do the steps until the tempeh nuggets are ready to be fried. Then pour the oil and turn on the stove. Then after the oil is hot, add the tempeh nugget and fry until cooked. It can be stored in the cooler or can also be fried directly. Then, after cooked, remove the tempeh nuggets and serve. Finally, the tempeh nuggets are ready to eat.